In this video, I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to install WooCommerce on DigitalOcean. The first step is to click the link down below, which will give you a $200 free credit trial for 60 days, and put in your email, password, and click Create Free Account. And now that you've signed up and you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click Create in the menu and click Droplets, which will allow you to create a server. DigitalOcean calls servers droplets. And you can go ahead and select the region of your choice, and then you can scroll down and you're gonna go ahead and click Marketplace. And we're gonna go ahead and type in WooCommerce. Then we're gonna go ahead and click WordPress WooCommerce, and we're gonna keep scrolling down, and then we're gonna select our server size. I don't recommend you guys select the regular CPU option. I feel like these servers are a little bit slow. I recommend the premium Intel or the premium AMD. They're much faster. And I'm gonna go ahead and select this $14 server for this tutorial. However, feel free to select whatever size you like. And then we're gonna keep scrolling down, and you can enable backups if you'd like. They have daily backups as well as weekly backups for a small fee. And then you're gonna choose your authentication method. I recommend you use an SSH key. You can add a new key right here, or you can use an SSH password. And then we're gonna scroll down. I highly recommend that you add improved metric monitoring and alerting. It's completely free to add, and it'll show you some different graphs and metrics about your server. And then you're gonna wanna change the host name to your domain. So for example, I'm using lucky28.link, and then we're gonna go ahead and click Create Droplet. We'll wait about 1 minute for the server to be created. And once our server is set up and you see the green dot on the droplet right here, you're gonna go ahead and click the 3 dots on the right, and you're gonna go ahead and click Add a Domain. And then just type in your domain and click Add Domain. Now, if we scroll down, our DNS records are all set up. If we wanna add support for www as well, we just type in www and then click Will Direct To, and then click our server and click Create Record. And now if we scroll down, you'll see we have 2 A records, one for lucky28.link and one for www.lucky28.link, and we'll also add HTTPS support. Now we're gonna quickly point our name servers to DigitalOcean. So we're gonna log into our domain register. I use Namecheap, however, every register out there is pretty similar. And we're gonna put in 3 custom DNS servers, and that is ns.digitalocean.com, ns2.digitalocean.com, and ns3.digitalocean.com, and we're gonna go ahead and press save. It may take a little for the name servers to be pointed to DigitalOcean, but it's generally very fast. And now that our server is online and our domain is all ready to go and configured, we're gonna go ahead and copy the IP address. We're gonna pop open a terminal, and we're gonna type in SSH space root at, and then our IP address, and then it's gonna log into the server. It's gonna ask for your domain. We're gonna go ahead and type in our domain, lucky28.link. Type in whatever your domain is and go ahead and click enter. Now we're gonna put in our WordPress user email address, and this will be for our admin account. So I'll do WordPress at Host.Promo and hit enter. And then put in our WordPress username, which I'll do lucky, and then a password and hit enter. And then the title of our blog, we'll just do example. And then you can hit enter if everything's correct. Otherwise, you can type in N if you want to redo something. Now it's asking us if we would like to use Let's Encrypt to configure an SSL HTTPS certificate. We're gonna go ahead and type Y for yes, and it's completely for free. And then you need to type in a email that you can get urgent renewal and security notices. And then we're gonna press yes to agree to the terms. And then we're gonna type in N because we don't wanna share our email to their newsletter. And then we're gonna select where we want to activate our HTTPS. I want it on www and non-www. So I don't have to put in anything. I can just leave it blank and hit enter. Now it's creating the SSL certificate, and boom, it's already done. Now the installation for WordPress and WooCommerce is finishing. and it says installation complete. Access your new WordPress site in a browser to continue. Now, if we put our domain in the browser, you can see our website has been completely set up. And then we're gonna type in our website /wp-admin, which will bring you to the WordPress login. And you're gonna go ahead and put in your WordPress username and password that you created on the installation and click login. And boom, here we are in our dashboard. It says welcome to WordPress and WooCommerce is already installed and ready to go. Just go ahead and click it and then go ahead and click set up my store. You can describe which one best describes you, or you can click skip this step. And then you can give your store a name. You can select what type of products or services you plan on selling, where your store is located, and your email address, and go ahead and press continue. And you can enhance your store by installing these free business features, or you can go ahead and press skip this step at the top. And now you can begin to customize your store. I hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or need help, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. Thank you for watching.